In this video, I'm going to go over the importance of having a detailed project timeline for your remodel. Hi, I'm Isabel, Marketing Manager here at Custom Built Design and Remodeling. A well-structured timeline will ensure that your project runs smoothly, stays on budget, and meets your expectations. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key reasons why a detailed project timeline is so important. The first reason is that a timeline will help keep your project organized and on track. If you lay out all of your milestones ahead of time and have key dates associated with each one of those milestones, that will give you the power to control what the construction process and what the design process looks like ahead of time instead of those controlling you. There's going to be shifts along the way, and so actively reviewing and actively working on your timeline will make sure you stay on top of everything. The second reason is a timeline allows for proper resource planning. A well-structured timeline will be the backbone of your project, allowing you to get the resources in place that you need when you need them. You're able to plan ahead of time to make sure that your materials are on site before your construction crew shows up. Efficient resource allocation and planning will help you optimize your timeline to make sure everything happens efficiently. The third reason is a timeline facilitates open communication. When you're managing a construction project, you're going to have several key players, and making sure that everyone is on the same page with when the drywaller is going to show up after the electrician has been there is important to make sure that there are no issues along the way. This clarity will make sure that all concerns are addressed immediately. The fourth is that a timeline will help you manage your costs and budget effectively. This will allow you to align your financial milestones with your project timeline. Your timeline will help you avoid unexpected expenses by preparing ahead of time. Proper budget management involves setting realistic financial goals and continuously monitoring spending against the timeline. And my favorite part about a timeline is that it helps you minimize your daily disruptions. Remodeling projects are disruptive to daily life, so having your timeline laid out will ensure that you can expect those disruptions. You can plan that vacation and you can go see the family that you wanted to while construction is going on if you have somebody managing your project. If you're managing it, then you can plan your work schedule around your day to make sure that you're able to be there during key moments of construction. And finally, a timeline will ensure that your project is completed on time. Now, like we talked about earlier in the video, if you are adjusting your timeline as construction delays happen or as the schedule shifts, this is going to change, but ultimately knowing your timeline will ensure that you're able to complete your project when you need to. I hope this video gives you confidence to create your remodeling timeline. If you're still curious to learn more, visit our Learning Center. There you'll find resources to help you manage your entire project. I'm Isabel with Custom Built. Thanks for watching.